This is how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing problem in Windows 10. Now, if you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, the first step that you need to do, you need to go to your Windows settings. You'll right click on your Windows icon. Then go to settings. Then go to network and internet. Then here you are going to troubleshoot. So you'll see this computer is set to manually connect to your Wi-Fi. So if this does not work, you are going to close this. Then you will go to the search and search for system config. Then click on open. Then go to services. Then click on enable all. Then OK. And if still does not fix your Wi-Fi, you are going again to go to the search and then search for device manager. Then open. So here you are going to see network adapters. So click on that drop down arrow. Then you are going to see the name of your network adapter. So right click on it. Then disable device. Then yes. Then once you have disabled, again you are going to right click on it. Then enable device. So if still this does not fix your Wi-Fi, again you are going to right click on the network adapter. Then you are going to update driver. Then browse my computer for drivers. Then let me pick. Then you are going to select the previous version of your network driver. Then click on next. Then Windows has successfully updated your driver. So click on close. So you will be able to see that your Wi-Fi now will be working. But if still this does not fix your Wi-Fi, again you are going to go to your Windows icon, right click on it, then go to device manager. Then again this will pop up. Then you will go to network adapters. Then you are going to select the name of your network adapter. Then right click on it, then uninstall device. Then uninstall. So once you have uninstalled, restart your computer and then Windows will automatically install new driver for network in your computer. So I'm going to restart my computer. After you have restarted your computer or your Windows 10, you are going to check if this will fix your Wi-Fi not working. So you are going to confirm by choosing your Wi-Fi. So you are going to confirm by choosing your Wi-Fi. And if this does not work still, then the last option is to press on the power button for more than 15 seconds in order to shut your computer down and wait for around 5 seconds. And after that, restart your computer and you check if it will fix your Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 10. So that's it, guys. That's how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing problem in Windows 10. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in the next one.